Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this cheap hair that I got from the beauty supply store. The name of the brand is Organique. I think that's how you say it, but it's a complete pack. It comes with a lace closure, one 14, 16, and 18-inch bundle. This hair is yaki texture and it's straight. And as you can see, it's really thick. Now this hair is synthetic hair. Well, they call it a master mix. But yeah. What I'm doing now is I'm just going to glue this closure onto the cap. I'm going to use the 30-second bond glue. That's just what I always use, and it holds really good for me. So since I wanted a side part, I decided to place the closure to the side, and then I'm just going to start by adding the 18-inch. Now, you know when you get the synthetic hair from the beauty supply store, the tracks are not thick. So the same with this hair, the tracks are not thick. So I decided to double the tracks before I put them in. So, and also when you double the tracks with hair like this, it just takes less time. You don't want to be laying tracks all day. Okay, so this is all of the 18-inch and the 16-inch. And as I'm running my fingers through it, it still feels really soft. So what I'm doing now is just finishing up the top. As you can see, I'm just going in the shape of the closure. And so I place my track right up to the closure because I don't want any gaps or lines or anything. So once I took everything off from under the cap, I'm just going to comb it through. And as you can see, it's really thick. So instead of flat ironing it, I'm just going to blow dry it a little bit so that it will still have the yaki texture. So yeah, I think this is nice hair if you are on a budget and you're looking for something really quick and cute. It costs $26.99 and this color is OT 30. Now, I did add a little bit of concealer to my closure. As you can see, this hair looks better straight. It curls a little bit, but I think it will do better straight because it is synthetic hair. I did do another video styling it in the side ponytail, and I will definitely list that video below. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later.